First, go to this site from the link below. For demo purpose, we will be extracting music from this AI-generated shorts.
If you don't like long explanations but still want to understand crypto, then stick around. Cryptocurrency. Sounds fancy, right?
Well, in our Shorts tab, you can explore more informative under 60-second content. Even I learned some new things from this Shorts. This music used by AI was pretty good, so I'm trying to use this AI vocal remover to separate music and soundtrack. It will take few seconds to few minutes, depending on file length.
Imagine digital money. That isn't controlled by any government or bank. That's crypto. The most famous one? Bitcoin. It's like the granddaddy of all cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity has control. Second, transactions can be super fast and super cheap.
Now to download, you can either download vocals or music separately. Now let's hear the output file. Thank you for your time. Do consider leaving a like and subscribe if it helped. Have a good day.